Hello, friends. Welcome back to my kitchen. Today, I'm making a deeply comforting green pea and lentil soup with a rich, smoky broth. This is one of those slow, cozy recipes that fills the house with incredible aroma and warms you from the inside out. Creamy, smoky, rich, and deeply satisfying. Let me know in the comments, do you prefer your soup thicker or more brothy? Let's start from the very beginning. First, we build the base, the broth. Into a large pot, place the smoked pork hocks. Add 1 whole onion, 3 carrots, and 3 sticks of celery. Then add 2 bay leaves, a few sprigs of fresh rosemary, and fresh thyme. Now pour in enough water to completely cover all the ingredients. Bring everything just to a gentle simmer, then reduce the heat to low. Cover the pot and let it cook slowly for 3 hours. No rushing here. This slow cooking is what gives the soup its deep, smoky flavor. This is the kind of soup that rewards patience. After 3 hours, the broth is rich and aromatic. Carefully strain the broth, removing the vegetables, herbs, and pork hocks. What we keep is the clear, flavorful broth. This is our foundation. Return the broth to the pot and place it back on low heat. Now it's time for the heart of the soup. Add 1 cup of split peas and 1 cup of lentils directly into the broth. Stir gently, cover, and let everything cook for about 40 minutes until the peas and lentils are tender. While that cooks, we'll prepare the vegetables. Finely chop 1 onion, 3 carrots, and 3 sticks of celery. Mince a few cloves of garlic. These vegetables will add sweetness, texture, and depth to the soup. Heat some oil in a pan over medium heat. Add the chopped onion and cook until it turns golden brown. Then add the carrots, celery, and garlic. Sauté everything together for about 2 minutes, just until fragrant. Now add tomato paste and cook for another 2 minutes, stirring constantly. This step adds richness and color. Transfer all the sautéed vegetables into the soup pot. Stir well and let everything come together. You'll notice the soup becoming thicker, richer, and more vibrant. Cut the smoked sausage into small squares. Add it directly into the soup. Season with black pepper, dried dill, and paprika. Stir gently, cover the pot, and let the soup cook for another 20 minutes. During these final minutes, the flavors fully develop. The peas and lentils break down slightly, creating a creamy, hearty texture. Serve the soup hot. Add a spoonful of sour cream and finish with crispy croutons on top. If you enjoyed this cozy soup recipe, don't forget to like the video and subscribe. Thank you for cooking with me, and I'll see you in the next video.